Hello, hello, hello. Great day, great day, great day. This is an experiment on how to use your energy. Now, you've heard in the past everything is energy vibrating at a different frequency. That came from Albert Einstein. So I'm going to explain in detail to the best of my ability so that you can understand it, so that we can both understand it, how this energy is become aware of, and then how to use it. So this is how I want to share with you. But first, allow me to reintroduce myself to you guys. If you're new here, my name is Zik. I've been running experiments on myself for the past 15 years in all areas of my life: personal development, spirituality, finances, love, and everything. I've been experimenting over the years. I've had mentors, coaches, seminars, books, and I've gone through quite a lot. I've narrowed my favorites to what you see behind me. What you see behind me are my personal favorites, and I wish for you to explore some on your own. I'll leave some links down below for those of you who might be a little bit curious. But for this experiment, it's all about you and myself becoming aware of this energy. Over the past 15 years, I found out a common thread in all the books I've studied and read, and I'm very sure you have studied and read a lot of books yourself. They always come down to energy. What is this energy? When I first heard this statement, everything is energy vibrating at a different frequency, I'm like, what the F is that? What does that mean? We're all energy. Or should I say, we're all energy beings, energetic beings. We create a vibration and we use it. For example, if you hear bad news, some of you, or majority of you actually, will get a feeling, an anxious feeling, anxiety feeling, anxious feeling. That information made you feel a certain way. That feeling is caused by external influence on your energy being. Fear, it's triggered. For some people it could be frustration, anger, but it's created a feeling. That feeling is the first feeling you feel when you hear information. Now you have the ability to think another thought that will neutralize that thought, or you think another thought that will amplify it. There are only two ways to go. You receive some information, you're triggered, you're hurt, you feel something. Energy has been thrust or have been put into your field, and you're feeling somehow. Your second thought is the one you can control. The first one comes in, you really can't control that thought. It comes in, your second thought, you're responding to that, your reaction to that is going to determine your vibration. You hear bad news, you feel sad. You're going to feel sad. You hear bad news, you're aware it's bad news. Oh, that's bad news. But you don't allow it to proceed. You change that thought. That whole process is what this experiment is about. Is you're catching these thoughts that might come to you. You're on social media. You hear bad news. You start feeling bad. Or you hear bad news. You respond in like format. You respond with bad comments, or you hear something. You're triggered. As soon as you feel that feeling, that resistant feeling, make a conscious thought, oh, that's the energy coming towards me. Remember, this is an experiment. You want to be able to experiment with that feeling, because once you're able to catch that feeling, that energy feeling, it's up to you to decide what you wish to do with it. You can just allow it to go through you, but you acknowledge it first. Oh, I am feeling whatever. Depressed, frustrated, hurt, unhappy. You're aware of that feeling. That's your first thought. Your second thought, what you do, how you respond to it, is what your vibration is going to be. Remember, it's the second thought. That feeling is what you're trying to be aware of. You want to catch it whenever it starts to come. Because life is all about all these feelings and you being aware to catch those feelings of thought. After all my years of study, that's what it's come down to, is how we react, how we respond to that feeling that comes to you. And then that feeling creates your vibration. That's in a nutshell. The experiment is for you to feel it and understand how to respond to that feeling that comes to you. After you have identified that energy, and by energy I mean it's the feeling. There are books on it. There are some of my favorite books on that feeling. We have this one here. Your Wish is Your Command. Talks about that energy. So get yourself a copy. The link is below. It talks about that energy. The second one is this Lost Secret on the very chapter 16. Actually, chapter 17 explains this energy that is around us. It explains how you become aware of it, how you can guide it to what you desire. And then my third favorite book that I have here, let's see, where is that? Third one, And the Power. It explains this energy that's all around us and how to guide it, how to use it to your advantage or to your benefit. Since it already exists, it's there for you to be aware of it and how to live your life with it. We have it around us every single day. You are actually in that energy. You are swimming in that energy. Think about it for a second. You've been hearing about energy. What is it? It is all around you. You are a part of it. You are a part of it. If you say, I am energy, I am the energy, try it. Let me even join you with that one. Write that down. Just take a few seconds and write it down. I am this energy. Break it down shorter. I am energy. You can be whatever you want. Just by simply saying it, speaking it, writing it down, thinking about it, you activate it. You activate that energy that is around you. You become aware of it. Then you can guide it. Try it this way. The next time you want to have a drink of water, become conscious of it. Don't just go and just get the water. Think about it. That's consciously thinking. And then when you get up to go and get it, you're deliberately going to get it. So you're doing deliberate intention. Let me go and get a glass of water. It's simply being aware of that energy. And then you're in it. Even say it a few times. I am the energy. I am energy. And go with conscious, deliberate intent throughout the day. Make those changes. That's what this experiment is all about. I mean, I've had many experiments, recipes, formulas I've gone through the years with various books and courses and challenges, but now the commonality is to use it, to use that awareness of that energy in you. So I want to make this video a little short and quick. That's how to use the energy. Is first you become aware and then live with the deliberate intent on how to use it or live with it deliberately, just consciously. Oh, there's this energy. Let me lock into it. It's like when you use your I am statement, your affirmations, that's being aware of it. But now you're guiding it towards what you want on a daily basis. So that's what I'll be doing on this experiment. This is how I'm going to be living with it. So have a great day. I wish you the best. Love you all.